Hello everybody and welcome to this Furry Friends tutorial.
The kit includes 12 pipe cleaners, pre-cut card house and accessories, instructions and over 100 stickers.
So choose your pipe cleaner colour. You will need 3 or 4 to make your pet cat. Straighten out each pipe cleaner before you begin. Take the first pipe cleaner and start to coil it into a flattened circular shape. Then make the small pointed ears by creating little folds. Then use the photos to check the size of the head. Now wrap the pipe cleaner around the front of the face. Wrap around 3 times, going between the ears as you go. Leave about 3 centimeters of pipe cleaner for the length of the cat's body plus the tail. Now get another pipe cleaner to make the cat's legs. So you want to bend the front legs like so, and then leave a gap for the body, and then bend in the back legs. Folding like this, and you should get a H shape. With the extra bit of pipe cleaner, just fold that under the body. Now put the head and the body on top of the legs, and with a third pipe cleaner, we're going to wrap that around the body and in between the legs to hold it in place together. Wrap the third pipe cleaner around the front legs, then the body, then the back legs.
And wrap that front end underneath the legs and round the head to secure it in place. Then wrap the rest of that round the body. Now we're going to wrap the rest of that third pipe cleaner around the body to give the cat its fluffy look.
And you can use the fourth pipe cleaner to wrap around the body as well if you want your cat to be extra furry. Remember to leave the tail poking out. Okay, now it's time to choose the eyes for your cat. So pick up your sheet of stickers and choose the pair of eyes that you'd like your cat to have. Okay, now we're going to make the cat house. So take your card cutout of the cat house and fold along the creased lines. Once you have folded along the creased lines, your cat house should look like this. Now we're going to fold the left side over to the right side and interlock that in place with the tab. Now we're going to make the bottom of the house. So with the door facing towards you, fold that flap down. Then fold the left hand side flap down. Then fold the right side in, and then the last one, push that into place to lock those together. And do it in that order too. Okay, now for the roof of the cat house, just simply push these two bits together and lock it in place with the tab, which slots into the other side. This is how your cat house should look. Now it's time to decorate it with some stickers. Okay, now it's time to make the cat food bag. So start by folding all of these creased lines in. Bend the top down to the bottom and lock that in place with the tab. And that is how you make your cat food bag. And it's time to decorate again, so get your stickers and start decorating. Okay, let's make the cat food bowl next. Holding the card from both ends, gently curve the strip into a circular shape and then fit the tab into the slot. Once the tab is secured in place, decorate your cat food bowl with some fun stickers. Okay, now it's time to make the cat bed. So start by folding along all the lines, which then should look like this. Okay, so let's start folding. So on the left hand side, fold over, and then at the edge of the left hand side, fold that back up, and that will create the slot for our right hand side to fit in. So now we're going to fold the right hand side down, push that in, and then lock it in place at the top with the tab that we just created. And there you go, that's how you make your cat bed. And it's time to decorate this too. And there you have it, decorated cat bed. And now it's time to put it all together. Thank you for watching. I hope you found the tutorial easy and you enjoy making some furry friends.